Hey guys, Antoinette Shay, welcome back to my channel. So if you are ready to master the art of the versatile flip over quick weave that's been trending all over Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, then look no further. I got you, girl. So we're going to be transforming our look, saying goodbye to the boring quick weave styles that we're all tired of, and we just get into it. So pretty much I parted out like the perimeter of my hair. I left like maybe a little bit more than an inch because your girl, I got 2 scoops of hair. My edges is thin, so yeah, I had to leave out a little bit more than most of the girls. So to achieve this style, I did get one cap. I used one cap, and I also used that liquid, the black liquid stuff, the protectant stuff on my quick weaves. Some people prefer to use Got to Be spray. I don't really like to use that, maybe just like a little bit. I like this because when you're ready to take it out, it can just slip right off. But to secure the cap, I did go ahead and sew it down, being as though this is a curly quick weave. So I sewed the perimeter down, and then I put the stuff on there, okay? I let it dry under the dryer, and then after it dried, we got to it. So I am using my Yummy Extensions Cambodian Curly Wave. That is always a tongue twister for me, but the Yummy Extensions Cambodian Curly Wave bundles. These bundles are like 3 years old, so it's not necessarily giving the same type of curly wave as when you first get your bundles. Like the curls are not as juicy, but they're still nice. It's giving more so like a little deep wave, a little crimpy, curly kind of vibe. But either way, my hair is relaxed on the halo, so it does blend a lot better. But anyway, getting back to it, I did go ahead and I was just pretty much freestyling. I took the tracks and I cut them. Yes, I did cut them because I didn't feel like sewing my hair. And I just laid the first one around the perimeter so that it would kind of fall in my face. And then I just went in a U shape the whole time until I got to the top. And then I started going across. Now, as y'all watching the video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the hair. This hair was getting a little bit dry on me. I don't know. Like I said, I've had this hair for some time, for a few years. I've wet this hair and I've worn it without product. I've used product. I've also used, I think it's Auntie Jackie's Pillow Curls. I think that's the name of it. I've used that on the hair and it works really, really good. The only thing is just, my bundle's a little old, so they're not as, the luster is not there anymore, but I still love the hair. And I also think it's because I flat ironed the hair before, guys. And when you flat iron hair that's really meant to be curly, I feel like it just does not come back the same. I think when I do buy this hair again or another curly texture, you're not going to catch me flat ironing it unless I want it to be flat ironed. But anyway, you guys see me installing the hair. And at first I was just like, I don't know how this is going to look on me. But towards the end, it started coming together. So I'm super duper excited. I do want to do a versatile quick weave with some shorter lengths. I wanted to cut this hair. Let me know if you guys think I should cut it and layer it to maybe like my shoulder length. I'm not sure, so I didn't cut it yet, but I really want to cut it. I feel like if I cut it, the bottom will have that fresh look, but let me know what you guys think down below because I want to cut it and I need to know what y'all got to say about it. But I really like how I was able to put this hair up in a ponytail, a half up, half down, a bun, a low bun, flip it over. And the reason why I didn't necessarily do the little tiny pieces going vertically in the front is because I didn't want that much height on my hair anymore. Like I thought I did, but I was like, never mind. I wanted to be able to kind of just like pull it back. So that's why I laid my hair that way in the front. And plus, I just didn't want too much going on. You know what I mean? And I feel like even when I do flip it over, it still gives me that added volume. So with my hair, I did leave my hair in 2 braids and I put the foam mousse on it. And I felt like that was going to kind of help set the little crimpy curl in there or whatever. But I think once you have the hair installed already, it is better to braid the hair with maybe your hair and a piece of the hair extensions, or if you want to use a curling wand or even like the little flexi rod pieces, but definitely use some mousse it together so that it looks well blended. This is like, I'm editing this video a few days later, so it looks really natural. The longer the hair is in your hair, it looks natural. I really, really like it. I'm just like, I have not worn a flip over quick weave in like 5 years, and I've been wanting to so bad, but I was just like, do people even wear that no more? I feel like all the styles from when we were in high school or even a few years ago are slowly coming back, and I'm loving the trendy early 2000s hairstyle, the vibes, the fashion trends, all that. So I'm definitely here for it, but I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. Leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me over on Lemon 8, Antoinette Shay, TikTok, Antoinette Shay. And I think I'm Antoinette Shay on Instagram too. I'm Antoinette Shay on like every platform. So check me out. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not?